Okay, Juan, you know, your premise is wrong. It's just wrong. The job of a prosecutor is to bring charges not to satisfy the public, not to make believe that if the law doesn't cover it in terms of a crime, well, we'll just air it publicly. That's not the purpose of the criminal justice system. The purpose of a prosecutor and bringing a charge is when you have the evidence. And prosecutors across this country know what the law is and what their obligation is. We don't bring charges to make people feel better. We don't bring charges to air the facts in front of the public. We bring charges when we can prove the facts beyond a reasonable doubt.
Well, I think you heard Judge Jeanine. Judge Jeanine, I think you heard. Hold on a second. Judge Jeanine, hold on. I think you heard.
The justice system is not here to satisfy the political interests of a particular party.
All right, now, Juan, you're up.
All right, so I think you heard from the prosecutor, Bernie DeLanda. He said that in his opinion it was a second-degree charge because Zimmerman had tracked Trayvon Martin, had a gun on him, got out of the car, and he believes at that point there was some malice involved. As I said, I think the jury and I think the defense team made the case that really the incident starts with the fight. And that's why they view it differently.
Okay.
But again, that's a technical call. The jury has made their verdict.
It's
Everybody,
not. One
prosecution and defense says they respect it.
He can't speak.
That's right.
Right,
the boy can't speak, he's dead. But again, there's a sense here,
Judge
I think,
Alex
in the country that there is injustice when you have a dead child and nobody, the criminal justice system, doesn't respond. And I think that's why there was pressure. Geraldo, you asked me earlier about President Obama. And let me say, I think
and let's
that what
listen.
the
Here's
president
President
said,
Obama. Hold it. Here's the president. Here's the president of the United States, and I'll get back to Juan, and you can respond. Here's the president. Here's what the president said.
I can only imagine what these parents are going through. And when I think about this boy, I think about my own kids. My main message is to the parents of Trayvon Martin. You know, if I had a son, he'd look like Trayvon.